Featuring soloist Jack Jang on alto sax, Melanie Fry on trumpet, Stacy Jarvis on tenor sax, Eli Rassman on trumpet, and Evan Kloss on drums. Second selection, Bone Talk by Mark Taylor, featuring Alex Kim on trombone, Willie Thornton on trombone, Spencer Vogel on trombone, get it, Bone Talk, Connor Riley on trombone, Kyle Jackier on trombone, and a special trombone section feature. The final selection being Peg by Walter Becker and Donald Fagan, arranged by Mike Tomaro, featuring Joey Sostek on trumpet, Eric Leidig on guitar, Justin Williams on harmonica, that'll be a treat, Jack Jang again on the alto sax, and Robbie Pirovitz on the alto sax. Mr. Kane, are you not ready back there? Sure. Well, let's welcome the Wissahickon Black Dog Band.